Alright, so we're still working on this thing right here. And you guys can see right there. We got a second case, and all the way back here, we got more stuff. Some more stuff. And then all the way over here we got, look at that cheese right there. So you guys can see this ain't some crazy little 8-year-old playground. But right here we do have my video card, and we're going to be installing it into this new, let me see if I can show you guys. Right here we got a new case that we will be installing it into, taking it from this case right here and, believe it or not, putting it into this case right here. So it's definitely got some more room and stuff in it. And right here we got some screws and our little screwdriver, and that's about it. So we already took out the hard drives and stuff, and so hopefully I can get this thing up and running for a new video sometime soon, because yeah, it's definitely been missing out. But nevertheless, I don't want to waste time here, because time is of the essence, and right now I need to get this thing running. So I'll see you guys in the next video.